Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Fallout cookbook. Today we're making Saddle Up Salisbury steak. And I guess this is my Christmas episode, which, yeah, I could see this being on like the menu for a Christmas dinner, so why not? Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what to make next in the comments below. Let's start this recipe off with prepping. You're going to want to start with slicing half a medium yellow onion, slicing one large king oyster mushroom, and then stemming and slicing 5 shiitake mushrooms. Once that's all done, we're going to make the patties. In a largish bowl, you're going to combine 1 pound of ground beef, half a teaspoon dried thyme, half a teaspoon black pepper, a teaspoon of kosher salt, quarter teaspoon cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of ground cumin, a tablespoon of ground mustard, a tablespoon of ketchup, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, quarter cup of panko breadcrumbs, and 1 egg. And you just mix that together with your hands. Then you form them into 5 patties, or however many patties you're going to make. Now you're going to heat 1 tablespoon of canola oil in a large saute pan or skillet over medium-high heat. Once it's nice and warm, you're going to add in your patties. I chose the perfect size pan that fit all 5 patties, so that was awesome. You're going to cook the patties for 2 minutes on each side until they're all nice and brown on the outside. They're going to still be raw on the inside, so no matter how tempting it is, don't take a bite of one. Now to make the gravy, you're going to add half a tablespoon of canola oil to the same pan, and then add in your mushrooms and onions and cook until they're tender, which is about like 3 minutes. Then you're going to add 1.5 cups of beef broth, along with 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard and 2 teaspoons of dried tarragon. And you're going to mix that until it's all well combined. Then you're going to cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. And while that is cooking nice and well, you're going to combine in a small bowl 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and the remaining a cup of beef broth. And then you're going to slowly add it until the sauce slightly thickens. Once it has slightly thickened, you're going to add in all your patties and you're going to cook them for 7 minutes covered. You reduce the heat to medium and cook them covered for 7 minutes, and then you're going to flip them and then cover it with another 7 minutes, and then you're done. And you can serve it with noodles or mashed potatoes topped with some gravy. The first bite of this was like heavenly. It is so well seasoned all throughout. It has such a like the texture is really good. I would just eat this on a burger. Like I would just simply make this patty for burgers. I want more, but I did not. Next time I make this, I'm gonna like quintuple the recipe because oh my. It's so good. I had it with mashed potatoes and put the gravy in the mashed potatoes. It was 10 out of 10. To be fair, still subject to change. I might lower, depends if my feelings change. But right now, 10 out of 10.